the University of Rome Tor Vergata. Hello guys, so welcome back to Higher Education Center by Trola Overseas, where we promise you to place in universities that are either equivalent or better ranked than IIT, IIM and AIMS. And today we are going to discuss about one of the finest universities in Italy, that is Rome Tor Vergata, and we'll discuss about why this university is a perfect destination for your medical career. So, are you looking to study MBBS in one of the most dynamic and prestigious universities in Europe, and that too in Italy? Let me introduce you to the University of Rome Tor Vergata, a global hub for excellence in education, research, and the career opportunities. The University of Rome Tor Vergata, founded in 1982, stands as one of the Italy's top institutions, offering a blend of academic rigor and cultural vibrancy. Ranked 393 globally in the QS World Ranking 2025 and 301 in Times Higher Education rankings, this university has made remarkable strides in research, innovation, and international partnerships. It's also ranked among the top 2 universities in Rome and 14 in Italy, making it a stellar choice for aspiring students. Tor Vergata offers a wide array of programs across 6 schools, including medicine, engineering, economics, humanities, and notably its medical technology and physics programs are ranked in the global top 100, showcasing its commitment to cutting-edge education and research. So why choose Tor Vergata for MBBS? So first point is definitely rankings, and Tor Vergata is ranked 393 in QS World Ranking Universities 2025 and 301 in Times Higher Education rankings, solidifying its reputation as a top-tier institution. Its medicine and surgery program, taught in English, is internationally recognized and accredited across the EU, providing graduates the opportunity to practice in numerous countries without any additional exams or certifications. Next is the affordable tuition fees and scholarship. Studying MBBS here doesn't mean breaking the bank. The tuition fees is actually ranging in a very affordable range per year, and Tor Vergata is one of the most affordable options in the entire Europe. Plus, there are merit scholarships and need-based scholarships available for both domestic and international students. That's amazing, right? Yes, which ensures the financial hurdles don't stand in the way of your dreams. The university also provides need-based scholarships tailored to ensure or to support students from low-income backgrounds or families. Merit-based scholarships are the ones awarded to high-achieving students, covering substantial portions of their tuition fees. And there are many regional scholarships as well, which are available there. It is an initiative to support international as well as the local students with funds for tuition fees, accommodation, and daily living expenses. So these opportunities ensuring that financial barriers don't stop you from achieving your dreams of becoming a doctor. Additionally, living and learning in vibrant Rome, studying at Tor Vergata means immersing yourself in charm of Rome, a city that perfectly blends history, culture, and modernity. Next point is the cultural richness. From iconic landmarks like Colosseum to many hidden gems, every corner of the city tells a story. Next is the dynamic student life. Rome is a hub of international students, offering countless opportunities for cultural exchanges, festivals, and networking events. Next is the food and the lifestyle. Indulge in the authentic Italian cuisine, explore bustling markets, and enjoy Mediterranean lifestyle that promotes wellness and balance. Torvagata's sprawling 600-hectare campus, located just outside the city center, provides a serene environment for focused learning while you keeping purely connected to the lively energy of Rome. Next is the cutting edge education. The university boasts state of the art facilities, including advanced labs and stimulation centers where students gain hands on experience. From day one, you will learn through a blend of theoretical classes and the practical trainings and labs in top hospitals in Rome, giving you the competitive edge required in today's medical field. Next is the diverse and inclusive environment. Tor Vergata attracts students from over 100 plus countries, fostering a multicultural environment where you can build a lifelong connections. The English Dot program or MBBS program ensures accessibility for international students without any language barriers. Unique advantages of studying MBBS at Tor Vergata is first, direct access to EU medical practice. Graduates can practice across Europe without additional licensing exams thanks to the EU recognition. That's great, right? And the next is the research and innovation. So, opportunities to engage in groundbreaking research alongside leading medical experts. Next point is the holistic learning. So, beyond academics, the university encourages involvement in extracurricular activities and, of course, the global collaborations. So, what are you waiting for? Don't just dream of becoming a globally recognized doctor. Make it a reality at the University of Rome Tor Vergata. With affordable tuition fees, scholarships, and unmatched academic excellence, this is your chance to shine. Click the link below for personalized mentorship and start your MBBS journey today, and I will see you in the next video.